to everyone present over here. Myself Sanjana from class 9 from Geeta High School, Mambojipalli. I am here to present my seminar. My theme is Understanding Ecosystem for Health and Well-being. My sub-theme is Technological Innovations for Ecosystem and Health. And my idea is using graphene sheets in water purification of sewage water. Let us know, what is sewage water? Sewage water is a type of domestic wastewater or municipal wastewater which was released from houses, industries, hospitals, offices, etc. These are highly contaminated water. These water contains different type of impurities such as organic impurities and inorganic impurities. Organic impurities such as pathogens, food waste, human waste, oil and grease, etc. Inorganic impurities such as sodium chloride, ammonia, chlorides, phosphates, sulfates, etc. These are highly toxicated substances which harm us so much. So, proper sewage treatment is necessary to overcome these problems. What happens if we use this sewage water in irrigation of agricultural fields? If we use this water in agricultural fields, soil may lose fertility and soil contamination occurs, crop contamination and food contamination. If we consume this food, we may suffer from many waterborne diseases like typhoid, cholera, etc. So, our government already initiated many methods to stop these effects like desalination. Desalination is the process in which salts and other impurities are removed from the sewage water. And membrane filtration. Membrane filtration is a type of osmosis process. It removes many impurities and microorganisms from the sewage water. Disinfection. Disinfection is the major method which is used in our surroundings for sewage water treatment. Disinfection. In this disinfection method, chlorination is the process used. Chlorination is the process in which chlorine gas is supplied to kill the harmful microorganisms. Chlorine gas. Chlorine gas kills harmful microorganisms, but later on chlorine gas turns into ammonical chloramine, which is very toxicated and harmful to aquatic life and also human life. Ammonical chloramine, what it creates in human body? It creates many diseases like lung infections, skin infections, and many diseases like respiratory problems, reproductive problems, mutations, heart strokes, etc. And chlorine gas also damages the plumbing tanks and suppliers. So we have to reduce the use of chlorine gas. And my idea is to use graphene layers in water treatment. Graphene. Let's know what is meant by graphene. Graphene is a carbon allotrope and hexagonal lattice of carbon. How graphene was made? Graphene was made from graphite, which is also a carbon material. When graphite is heated in high temperatures and restricted by helium gas, then this carbon allotrope called graphene was formed. Characteristics of graphene. Graphene is stronger and it is rigid in nature, it is long lasting and it is lighter in weight. Graphene is lighter in weight but it is 200 times stronger than steel. Now here we can understand how strong the graphene is. Why we have to use graphene? It has many properties like The very first property is absorption. The graphene has high surface area. It can absorb wide range of contaminants, impurities, etc. And filtration. In filtration, graphene-based membranes are used. These membranes are known for their selectivity and permeability. These membranes remove many impurities and microorganisms from the sewage water. Photocatalysis. This is the extraordinary property of graphene. This absorbs sunlight or artificial light and removes the impurities and contaminants from the sewage water. Electrochemical process. In electrochemical process, graphene electrodes are involved and these remove specific pollutants and impurities like heavy metals. And chemisorption and physisorption. These are the major methods in graphene. Chemisorption. In chemisorption, chemical bonds are formed between contaminant molecule and graphene layer. In physisorption, the weak van der Waals forces attracts the contaminants towards the graphene layer and stops them to move into the purified water. Regeneration. Graphene has a property called regeneration. It has an ability to absorb particles and it has an ability to release that absorbed particles, and it can be used multiple times. Disinfection. Disinfection is the process in which graphene kills many microorganisms which are very harmful to us. In this process, chlorination is not involved and chlorine gas also not involved. Desalination. Desalination is the process in which salts and impurities are removed from sewage water. In this process, we can use this process in ocean water separation of salts, and we can purify the water of ocean water. And eco-friendly. Graphene is an eco-friendly material which doesn't harm our environment. and I come to a conclusion that we have to use graphite instead of the other materials in which chemicals are involved. And my idea is graphene layers used in sewage water treatment. We have to take a container and we have to place porous sponge materials to the walls of container, and we have to place 3-4 graphene sheets we have to attach them to the sponge material, and when sewage water enters into this container, these sponge material removes some impurities and the graphite completely purifies the water, and this purified water must be collected into another tank. Thank you.